Setting up your ADT Motion Sensor is quick and easy. In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through connecting and installing your sensor, adding an extra layer of protection to your ADT Blu security system. Let's get started. Unpack your ADT Motion Sensor and make sure you have everything you need from the box. Getting set up is easy and no tools are required. But before you begin, make sure your ADT Base is connected. Your Bluetooth-enabled phone or tablet has the ADT Plus app ready, and you have secure Wi-Fi access. Pause the video here and gather what you need. When you're ready, press play and we'll pick up where we left off. To begin the setup, open the ADT Plus app and log in. Make sure your system is disarmed. In the app, open Devices from the menu at the top or from the bottom navigation, depending on your app version. Tap the plus icon, ADT Device, Sensors and Detectors, and Motion Sensor. Then, name your sensor in your ADT Plus app. Pro tip: name it after the location where you plan to mount it. To power up your device, slide the cover to the unlocked position, aligning the tab with the line on the sensor. Lift the cover off, then insert the battery. Make sure it's placed in the device correctly with the positive end pointing toward the plus sign inside the device. Replace the cover. For faster connection, make sure your sensor is in the same room as the ADT Base. Once the LED light starts blinking blue, tap Connect in the app. The light will continue flashing while it's pairing to your ADT Base. You'll get confirmation in the ADT Plus app when the sensor is connected. Next, we'll review the placement requirements for your sensor. You can mount your motion sensor on a flat surface or in the corner of a smooth wall. For the best coverage, we recommend corner mounting. This placement typically provides a wider range of protection. Once you've chosen a location, you're ready to begin installation. Use the alcohol pad to clean the area where your sensor will be placed. While that dries, apply the included double-sided tape to the matching outlines on the back of the sensor. Now, let's mount your sensor. Making sure the circle on the front is facing down, lightly press your sensor in place. This will allow you to test and adjust its location. With your ADT system still disarmed, walk through the monitored area to confirm the sensor detects motion. If it detects motion, the light will turn solid yellow for 1 to 2 seconds. Once you're satisfied, press the sensor firmly in place for 30 seconds. Congratulations, you're all set. Your ADT Motion Sensor is ready. You can start using your sensor right away or continue adding ADT Blu security devices in the ADT Plus app. Need help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT Blu devices and system, or to chat with us.